Well, tomorrow marks the start of the final paving project for the Lincoln-Monroe corridor downtown, the same area that was plagued by 6 months of construction just last year. KXLY4's Caroline Flynn working for you. She joins us now in studio with more information on that project. Caroline?
Last year's construction was so tough for some businesses in the Lincoln-Monroe corridor. So tough, in fact, they didn't make it. This year, though, businesses say the city is communicating much better to make sure they can operate as usual. It's going to be a little harder to navigate downtown Spokane starting tomorrow.
There's lots of construction going on
as the final paving through the Lincoln-Monroe corridor begins.
That runs from Main to 2nd. That was the big project last year. So we're doing that final lift of asphalt.
The project will see minor work the first week, then paving 2 lanes on one street overnight.
Switch to the other side, do some minor repairs and get it all ready to go, and pave the entire other side in one night.
Businesses along Lincoln and Monroe say the impact of last year's construction wasn't too concerning. 24 Taps didn't notice any changes in their numbers, and the old spaghetti factory said the hardest thing was navigating deliveries. But for the streets sandwiched in between Lincoln and Monroe, it was a different story. Workers used Sprague as a staging area, making it difficult for customers to reach businesses. Tamarack Public House stopped serving lunch during construction last year and will do the same for the next few weeks as they complete the paving project. For customer safety, they'll also close their outdoor patio. They say the city has been helpful this time around keeping Sprague open, and they're happy they'll be keeping a lane open on both Monroe and Lincoln as well. Their only concern is a Friday night set aside for paving. Being a part of the entertainment district, they worry that will impact their business and plan to see if it can be moved to a different night. Well, the city has 2 more projects will be impacting the area. The Spokane Falls Boulevard CSO tank work will coincide with night paving work on Lincoln and Monroe. The Lincoln and Summit Boulevard CSO tanks work will start next Monday. Live in studio, Caroline Flynn, KXLY4 News.